Good morning, everyone. I am Rilani P. Tabanao, your mathematics teacher in this morning. So before we start, can I request one student to please lead the prayer? Amen. Okay, good morning, class. So before you take your seats, just pick up some pieces of paper, then arrange your chairs, then you may sit. So, who is absent for in this morning? Okay, since when I absent, let's proceed to our classroom rules. So we should follow rules in this morning. So
Aski bayot.
our classroom rules. First is be quiet when the teacher is talking. Number 2, respect and listen when your classmates share their ideas. Number 3 is listen to the teacher's instructions and be attentive all the time. Number 4, raise your right hand if you have a question or if you want to answer. Don't answer me in chorus. That year. Okay. So what was our topic yesterday? Okay, our topic yesterday was all about a quartile. So since you already know how to find the quartile now, let me present to you our objectives to able you have a idea what was our topic today. So our objectives is at the end of the lesson, students should be able to A. Define decile, and B. Solve problems involving deciles, and C. Appreciate the lesson by citing a real-life examples. So I have here a activity 1. This activity is called 4 Pics 1 Word. So all you need to do is to identify what is the picture all about. And then raise your right hand if you want to answer our activity. So this activity is 4 Pics 1 Word. So first picture, so our first picture is this. So who can guess what was the first picture? Yes, okay, it is the picture shows divide. So next picture is who can guess what is that picture all about? Okay, very good. The picture is all about a number 10 or 10. Next picture is okay, the next picture is all about equal. That is equal. Next picture is who can guess what it is all about? So that picture, okay, very good. That picture is parts. Yes, that's all. Okay, since you already know what is the meaning or what's the pictures all about, so let's proceed to our second activity, which is fill in the blank. So all you need to do is to fill in the blank of the words that corresponds to the sentence. Okay. Activity number 2, fill in the blank. Direction. Fill in the blank by putting the appropriate words in the blank. Okay. So the words in the blank are so first word is decile. Decile is the 9 scores which divide the data into 10 equal parts. So from the objective that I give later. So who has an idea what was our topic for today? So since you answered this activity number 2, so our topic for today, this morning, is all about decile. So what is a decile? Anyone who can answer what is decile or have an idea what is decile? Just raise your right hand if you want to answer the question. So, decile. What is decile? So, decile is the 9 scores which divide the data into 10 equal parts. So, the formula of getting the decile of ungrouped data is d sub k is equals to k n plus 1 to the power of th over 10. 10 because the decile is divided into 10 equal parts. Unlike the quartile is divided into 4 parts. And percentile is divided into 100 parts. So our topic was decile. So let's focus of decile in ungrouped data. So the formula for getting the deciles of ungrouped data is d sub k is equals to k n plus 1 to the power of th over 10. So I will give an example. So first example is the data is 18, 17, 15, 22, 21, 20, 27, 29, and 28. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So our n is 9. N is the total number of data given. So solution, first thing you will do is you will arrange the data into descending to ascending order. So first data is 15. Next 17. Next is 18. 20. 21. 22. 27 and 28, and last is 29. So let's solve So D sub K, D sub 3. D sub 3 is equals to Rk is 3. Rn is 9. Then plus 1 to the power of th over 10. Next is D sub 3 is equals to 3. 9 plus 1 is equals to 10 over 10. D sub 3 is equals to 3 times 10 is equals to 30 over 10. So divide 30 divide 10 is equals to 3. Our D sub 3 is in the data number 3. So our data number 3 or our D sub 3 is 1, 2, 3 is 18. Our D sub 3. Our D sub 3 is 18. So now, let's solve for the D sub 7. Now, let's solve for the D sub 7. First thing you will do is for the formula, then D sub, since we find D sub 7, so our K here is equals to 7. D sub 7 is equals to K is 7, N is 9, thus plus 1 to the power of th over 10. So with the same step as we solved in the D sub 3. And okay, so D sub 7 is equals to 7. 9 plus 1 is equals to 10 over 10 is equals to D sub 7. 7 times 10 is 70 over 10. Thus 70 divided by 10 is D sub 7 is equals to 7. So our D sub 7 is in the data number 7. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So our D sub 7 is 27. 27. Okay. Since you already know how to solve and what is the formula of getting the decimals of ungroup data, I have a question. Why is it important to arrange the data into ascending order? So yes, it is because we can easily find the data if our data is arranged in ascending order. So since you already know, you have an idea and you have learned. So now I have here a group activity. This activity is called the relay race. This is the relay race. Group activity. Since you already have a group, can you proceed now to your group? Okay. So, direction. Using the given data below, answer the following task. So, our data is 18, 17, 15, 22, 21, 20, 27, 29, and 28. So, first thing you will do is you will arrange the data into ascending order. So, your task is find the third decile or D sub 3. Next is arrange the data in ascending order. Next is identify the data point 7th decile or D sub 7. Next is what percentage of the data falls below D sub 6? Which decile represents the 40th percentile? So, answer your group activity, and this is the criteria for our activity. Okay, if you are done, just paste in the board your activity. So next is again, can I ask what is decile again? So decile is the nine scores that divide the data into 10 equal parts. So since you already done with your group activity, now let's proceed to the last part, or we have a short quiz or evaluation. Evaluation. It is only 5 items and it is multiple choice. So direction. Write the letter of the correct answer in the space provided before each number. Number 1. What do you call the 9 partition values of the data or given set of observation into 10 equal parts? A is percentile, B is divide, C is decile, then D is quartile. So, if you're done answering, just pass your paper forward and exchange to your seatmate. Okay, since we're already done, how many data that okay, since we're already done, I will class, don't forget we have a assignment to be passed at the Google Classroom. So our assignment just passed in our Google Classroom. So assignment, during MAPI class, Sir Raymar recorded the number of push-ups of the 10 students can do in 1 minute. The data here is 25, 32, 30, 15, 13, 23, 10, 8, and 18. So solve for the values of all deciles. So, meaning of all deciles, you'll need to find the D sub 1, D sub 2, D sub 3, and so on and so far. Okay, and that's all in this morning. Thank you for your listening and cooperating in this class. Thank you.